Hey everybody! The next step we're gonna make a smoothie.
So we're gonna jump right into the smoothie, and we're doing kale this week. So we're gonna pop that into our NutriBullet. Kale, a lot of great benefit. So now I'm gonna have Matthias to put in the blueberry and strawberry. So we're also gonna add some fresh pineapples, fresh pineapples. So we have a couple of these pineapple rings. We're gonna put these in there.
Yummy pineapple.
Then we have a half of a banana. Put it in here. Don't bite off of it. Put it in here. Put it in here. Thank you, Matthias. I know he wanted it.
I want it.
So now we're going to do our chia seeds, and we'll put that in there, like a tablespoon of that. And last, we're going to add water, and we're going to be ready to blend. So now it's time to blend. The top is on, the water is in, so we're going to get ready to blend. You ready, Matthias?
Yeah.
Okay. Now it's done, and we're going to pour it. So he has his cup. Y'all know how he do now. Okay. He's going to drink his. I'm going to pour me some of my glass. He's going to let y'all know how this tastes. How does it taste, Matthias?
Yummy.
Tastes yummy. You like it? They don't believe you no more. They know how you act now. But y'all, this is another healthy, simple smoothie that your kids will love. So, what we're going to say now?
I said thumbs up.
Thumbs up. So, what we're going to tell the people now?
Bye.
Bye. Until next time.